Morning guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to finish up the lift kit on our 92 Jeep. So this Jeep already has the added leaf and it's already complete. The only thing we got to do in the rear is replace the rear shocks. But I've sprayed these down for a while now, so I'm hoping they come out. Now on the other Jeep, all four bolts broke. So hopefully this one will be okay. So let's get started replacing these rear shocks. So I've already disconnected the shock at the bottom, but that is a 18mm. You're going to look up here, and there's two 13mm bolts you need to remove. Well, that bolt come right out. So these shocks here are air shocks. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the line. Alright, so here's our new rear shock. And we need to push our new bushing and our bar pin in. So these are the same shocks as on the front. The Hydro 7.0. So the first thing I'm going to do to make this a little bit easier, I'm going to get some PB Blaster. I'm just going to spray just a little bit around that. Now we'll go ahead and do the other side. And then we got to install our bar pin. Alright, so now the bar pin's in. Now we can install this shock. Alright, so now we'll install our two 13mm bolts at the top of the shock. Now this shock is on. Now we'll go do the passenger side. Well, these two shock bolts here come out too. I'm pretty surprised. I figured for sure they'd break. And now our lift kit on the Jeep is now complete.